This train will be running over the F line with continuing service to Queens. This train will not stop at Lexington Avenue 53rd Street or 5th Avenue 53rd Street. This train has been diverted. Will be running over the F line from 4750 Rockefeller Center. For M-Line train service, remain on the platform of 47th Street right Park. For the next M train, make it all M-Train stop. Once again, this train has been diverted. We'll be running on the F line from 4750th Street, Rockefeller Center. This is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. Doors opening on the left side.
This is a Queensbound and local train. The next stop is 4750th Street, Rockefeller Center.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Is 47th Street, 50th Street, Rockefeller Center. Once again, this train has been diverted. This M train will be running over the F line. Once again, this M train will be running over the F line with continuing service to Continental Avenue, Queens-bound M train running over the F line from 4750th Street, Rockefeller Center. This train will not stop at Lexington Avenue 53rd Street or 5th Avenue 53rd Street. This is 4750th Street, Rockefeller Center. M train. At this time, attention passengers. This M train will be running over the F line. This M train will be running over the F line. This train will not stop at Lexington Avenue 53rd Street. This train will not stop at 5th Avenue 53rd Street. This is an M train running over the F line. Please step in, stand clear, doors closing.
As soon as they got here, so I was so fucking.
This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound M local train. The next stop is Elmhurst Avenue.
Is due to congestion ahead of us. We will be holding him momentarily. We do hope to be moving shortly. Thank you for your patience.
This is Elmhurst Avenue. This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound M local train. The next stop is Grand Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is Grand Avenue, Newtown. Transfer to the Q53 Select Bus Service.
service, no passengers, please. This is the last stop. On behalf of the MTA, New York City Transit Authority, thanks for riding with us. Last stop.
This is a Manhattan-bound E Express train. The next stop is Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue.